discussing ABCD technique to enable young learners to mentally multiply even big numbers with ease and confidence. This technique was developed and designed by yours truly in order for you to multiply fast but accurately. Tara, mga kids, multiply na tayo! We will multiply 12 by 34. The number on top is called multiplicand, and the number below the multiplicand is multiplier. Now, we are going to expand 12 as 10 plus 2, while the other one, 34, is expanded as 30 plus 4. Now, let's distribute the expanded form. A gets 10, B gets 2, C gets 30, and D gets 4. Now let's start solving. Step number 1, find A and D. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. Be sure not to forget this number because this will be needed in the next step. Step 2, find BC. 2 times 30 is equal to 60. 60 will be added to 40 to become 100. Step 3. Find BD. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now add 8 to the previous answer. Step 4. Find AC. 10 times 30 is equal to 300. 300 plus 108 is equal to 408. Now we have the answer. 12 times 34 is equal to 408. Kindly take note of the pattern in multiplying 2 by 2-digit numbers. Also, we are going to have a new version of ABCD technique. Watch out for it.